What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. I'm in a hurry, so we gotta get this done quick. Ooh! Alright, so today we got the Type R side skirts. Let's just go ahead and do it. Let's just get straight into it. No BS. Let's go. Guys, here are the parts right there. One of them's already broken. You already know that eBay shit. And then you got these parts right here. So let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I had to jack up the car because the car's a little bit low and I can't really see under. So here, every like little dent and then you're gonna have clips. You're gonna have 3 clips. So go ahead and take that out and then get your the side skirt, put it up against and put in the middle clip and then put in the rest of them. To get it attached, there's a little hole here and you're just gonna etch it up and then screw it right into the plastic. And for this I would use a longer one, kind of screw it in at an angle because the tire's in the way. I didn't feel like taking them off, so kind of lift it up and screw it in. And then same thing under the front part. You're gonna have another screw, just put it in. And for this you're gonna need like a lot shorter one, so just like that. And then you kind of just put the screw in and then tighten it up just like that. Let me show you how. Alright guys, this is how it looks with the rear lip. Check it out. Hey, who's it? Oh, it's a Fiat. Alright. Check it out, front lip coming in too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. But just a quick review. So I mean, it's eBay parts, you know. I can't really say it's awesome and I can't really say it's good, but fitment wise I mean, hey, it's on there. I don't see that many gaps, and if there is, it's like teeny bit, like so small you can't even notice it. Material looks like it's decent, but there was like a really thin part that was cracked when I received it, but that's shipping, you know. It's not too big a deal, but yeah, other than that, I say it's a go, for especially for 80 bucks. I mean, that's not bad at all. So yeah, all right guys, hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Rah!